In this lecture, we will learn about using comparison operators in SQL statements. As the name suggests, comparison operators compares two values. The comparison operator determines whether the two values are equal or a value is greater than the other or less than the other. The comparison operators can be applied to numbers, strings, and dates. Here are some of the examples of comparison operators in SQL statements. The following table shows the list of all the comparison operators in SQL. Let's learn about comparison operators with some practical examples. I have logged in my MySQL database server. I'll select the school database using SQL statement use school. Now let's display all the records from students table by using SQL statement select star from students. Now I'll filter the data rows and get only the students whose age is less than 6 years. So the SQL statement will be select star from students where age is less than 6 semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. I'll press enter to execute the statement and we get only the students with age less than 6 years. I'll select the company database and run SQL statement to display all the records from employees table. Now I will filter the data row and display only the employees whose salary is greater than 3500. The SQL statement will be select star from employees where salary is greater than 3500 and semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. Press enter to execute the SQL statement and we get all the employees whose salary is greater than 3500. I will show you one more example with online shop database. First, select the online shop database using SQL statement use online shop and run SQL statement to display all the records from items table. Select star from items. Now I'll filter the data records and get only the items having price less than or equal to $30. The SQL statement will be select star from items where price is less than or equal to 30 semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. Press enter to execute the statement and sure enough the result set returned only the items having price less than $30 or equal to $30.